Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. I am Trader Martins and today we are going to be analyzing the euro versus the US dollar. And currently we are on the weekly time frame. This is a fair value gap. The market just moved down from the fair value gap and is currently moving to the buy side liquidity. That's my expectation for the market to take this buy side liquidity. Probably might retrace down to this bullish order block outline here before the bullish move. So let's go to the daily time frame. So we are actually on the daily time frame. So the market already broke its market structure and this is a bullish order block which the market is currently on. So I'm expecting the market to take the buy side liquidity, which is this place here. I'm expecting the market to take the buy side liquidity. So that's my bias for this week because I'm already bullish in Euro USD. I'm bullish Euro USD, so I'm expecting the market to move, but probably it might retrace to this place and move bullishly. There are two things I'm expecting. It's either the market move, take this buy side liquidity, or it retrace down to this other block to take the buy side liquidity. That's the two things I'm looking for this week. So that is it, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Have a nice day, guys. See you.